These cookie butter filled white chocolate chip cookies have crushed Biscoff cookies mixed in for a double dose of Biscoff. They will rival any cookie you get from a bakery, and to be honest, they are way better. They are soft and chewy and big enough to share, but you won't because you'll eat the whole batch yourself. First, in a large bowl, add a stick of cold unsalted butter that's cut up into small pieces. Add a half cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of white sugar, and cream until fluffy. Now add 1 egg and mix until incorporated. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Now add your pre-mixed dry ingredients, which are 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of cake flour, a heaping quarter teaspoon of salt, a heaping quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix only until just barely combined, then add 3/4 cup of chopped Biscoff cookies and 1 cup of white chocolate chips and fold in. Chill the dough long enough so you can form it into 4 or 5 equal-sized balls, then chill the balls again. Tear each ball in half then flatten 1/2 slightly and add a heaping teaspoon of chilled Biscoff cookie butter. Mold the other half over the filling, sealing it in. Chill the balls again for a half an hour. Place the balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for 12 to 13 minutes or until they look slightly underdone in the middle. I like mine more on the underdone side. Cool for 20 minutes on the baking sheet and enjoy.